This is not your average Mercedes. Under that sleek four-door body sits a hand-built V8 and an electric motor working together to send over 800 horsepower and more than 1,000 pound-feet of torque to all four wheels, numbers that used to belong exclusively to hypercars. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this might be the most extreme road-going Mercedes-AMG has ever built. The AMG GT 63 SE Performance sits at the top of the Mercedes-AMG GT four-door lineup, a car built to go head-to-head with the Porsche Panamera SE, while it wears the GT badge and lives on the Mercedes-Benz coupe page. It's actually based on a previous generation E-Class platform rather than the two-door AMG GT sports car, giving it the space and comfort of a true Grand Tourer while still chasing supercar performance numbers. Design-wise, this car doesn't try to hide what it is. The wide front grille, aggressive front splitter, and muscular fender flares give it real road presence, while the sloping coupe-like roofline flows into a fastback rear end that keeps the silhouette sporty despite the car having four doors and full-size rear seats. It's a car built to look fast standing still, and every panel seems to be doing double duty.
I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind.
It's a handcrafted 4.0-liter
pretending we don't see these signs.
One man, one engine philosophy.
I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind.
Is paired with an electric motor integrated into the
You
rear
and me dancing on the Gideon time, on the Gideon
and the combination pushes total output past 800 horsepower with over 1,000 pound-feet of torque available almost instantly thanks to the electric assist. Power goes through a 9-speed AMG SPEEDSHIFT automatic transmission to all four wheels via AMG's Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, launching this nearly 2.5-ton sedan to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Step inside and the AMG GT 63 SE Performance trades for genuine luxury, with sports seats wrapped in premium leather, ambient lighting that stretches across the cabin, and Mercedes' latest MBUX infotainment system running across large digital displays. It's a cabin designed to feel like a first-class business sedan during a calm commute, then switch personalities completely the moment you select AMG's more aggressive.
I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind.
Really shows its purpose. The electric motor
Don't mind pretending we don't see these signs.
turbo lag, sharpens throttle response, and even allows
I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind.
switch into a sportier setting.
You and me
the car
dancing on the
transforms
Gideon
using
time.
AMG's active suspension and rear axle steering to hide its size
I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind.
for a car this large and with
Don't mind pretending we don't see these signs.
front it right around
I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind.
firmly into rival territory.
You and me dancing on the Gideon time.
The Bentley Flying Spur, but for that money, buyers get a
You and
car
me
that blends
dancing on the
supercar-level power with
Gideon
everyday
time.
practicality in a way very few vehicles on sale today can match. What makes this car genuinely unique is that it proves electrification and raw performance don't have to be enemies. Mercedes-AMG took one of its most powerful engines ever built, added an electric motor instead of removing character, and created a four-door sedan that can outrun cars costing twice as much, all while still comfortably seating a family of four. If this wild hybrid AMG impressed you as much as it impressed us, smash that like button, subscribe for more car breakdowns like this one, and drop a comment telling us which car
Punch
you
John
checked out.
crazy.